what we're looking for?
Yewe nako cyo turimo turashaka.
I mean, we could ask someone.
Reka dushaka ko twabona umuntu. Hano hantu hari ububiko bw'abantu benshi akenshi abantu bakora ku mashansiye usanga bafite ahantu abahurira bose babika ibikoresho byabo cyane cyane iyo bakorera za company.
Do you think these could be his tire marks?
Ese wasanga hano ariho izi tire marks ziwe nano aya na mapine ye.
What?
Holy shit.
Eches. Nganda bana?
What?
Nicyo ubonye. Kureba neza. Ndakeka nari habika ibikoresho.
Same
Gutes.
as his toolbox.
Urumva ni brand imwe y'ingufuri kuri toolbox yiwe ndetse n'iki no kububiko. Tujye mindani turebe biri mindani.
Surveillance.
Nobody twiyemeje kumustalking atumustalking.
Breaking and entering.
Nobody bigize Jennifer Lopez na George Clooney.
Actually, yeah.
Nagufasha cyane.
You're the manager, right?
So manager wano ra?
Yeah.
Yego.
It's my boyfriend's birthday coming.
Urabona na anniversary ya shiri wanje boyfriend wagiye kuba.
Yep. And
baramubesha.
present inside, and then we left the house.
Rero twahoranye hano nsigamo impano ye mwana indani muri store wahabika ibintu.
On your Pete?
Bagiye imfunguzo.
Inside, and then we left the house, and I forgot my keys.
Rero tuva mu rugo nibagiye imfunguzo nzita mu rugo kandi gift yiwe irimo hano indani nco wanyinguriraho.
On your Peter's girlfriend?
Waburiwe girlfriend wa Peter. Jazina iragaruka. Wa mutipe bahuriye muri restaurant witwa George yavuze ngo so waburi girlfriend wa Peter. Kobwa yikangamo.
Guilty.
Yego rwose ni girlfriend wa Peter.
Sworn I just saw him go.
Ndamubonye vano nonaha.
Give him a call.
Wamuhamagaye sakaza gukingurira. Oya byihorere.
I'm sorry.
Urumva surprise. Rero nagura urufunguzo rwa reserve nyiri ubwo bubiko atabyemeye. Ryazina Peter riragaruka. Urebe. Saa murakoze. Nawe undebere.
Okay, well, so tonight.
Bwatinze umukobwa agaruka kuri ka restaurant hamwe bari kuri anniversary.
Hi.
Yewe bite?
Our service doesn't start till 12.
Yeah.
Urwo se bihangana twatangira mukaya saa sita.
I was actually here a couple nights ago.
Maze amajoro ngaye mvuye hano.
Max, was it 6 for the bride party?
8.
Hano baba bafite gahunda nyinshi bategura amatebo bitewe n'abandi bikorwa biri buhabe bana baba bookinze.
I'm so stupid.
Je kubaza ibintu